So, do you also have a jar of boring nuts laying around your kitchen counter that nobody likes to eat? Come on, let's make it interesting in just one simple step. Here I've got almonds. So, all you have to do is take out the nuts from the jar and lay it on the oven tray, or if you've got air fryer, try to lay it in a single layer. Put it in the oven. Bake it for 15 to 20 minutes on 180 degrees centigrade, and in air fryer try to bake it for 15 to 20 minutes. After taking it out, leave it in cool air, or just like the fan that I'm showing. I don't know why I'm showing the fan, but leave it in air and let it dry for 15 to 20 minutes more. After cooling completely, transfer it into the desired jar. Do not transfer it directly from the oven as they will turn out soggy. Now here you go. The boring nuts have turned into interesting crunchy nuts. And now enjoy it as you like it. If you liked my video, please give it a like. Thank you.